Locked in high, videoing, moving slow.
Ew. Mommy, this is so fun.
I'm glad you think so. As long as it don't go over headlights, we'll be doing good. I think we're driving down the river.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Let's gonna keep a boat.
Yeah, we're pretending it's a boat right now. Hang on. Hope insurance covers anything.
Mommy, this is a bit for we fish on.
Yep.
That's a boat.
Yeah.
This is a boat.
Okay, we gotta figure out. Okay, there's our road right there. So we're just gonna keep easing across. There's our road.
Mommy, I love this.
All right, we did it. No, wait, Dad, look how pretty that is.
Let's keep a boat.
I don't think I breathed the whole time.
Mommy.
What about my baby? Yeah.
Yes, then let's keep a boat. Like
We just pretended it was a boat.
Mommy, we got to like boat like sumas.
Like Zuma's. You think that's what it does, like Zuma? Here comes Papa coming across. He's driving faster than we did. I'm going to take it out full drive. Here comes Papa.